Formal report and newspaper report. Dear students, earlier there was a lot of confusion regarding formal report and newspaper report. So I am giving both the topics side by side together. First, see what is a formal report. A formal report is a statement of facts. It is a formal presentation of a practical experiment, a project, or a research investigation, situation, or event. Through a report, you inform the reader about what you did, why and how you did it, and what you found. And what is newspaper report? A newspaper report is a written account of an event or a happening which may be sudden or routine. The objective of writing a newspaper report is to give the reader detailed information about the matter being covered in it. Newspaper reports are always written in structured format. So, is it clear to you that what is formal report and what is newspaper report? In short, we can say formal report is about an event or project, whereas newspaper report is about a sudden incident. See the structure or format of a formal report. It should contain designation of person or name of the institute the report is intended for. Second, it should have date, then subject, problem or incident or project details should be there. Suggestions should come in the last paragraph, and we can also write about action which is taken after the suggestions. Lastly, signature and the name of reporter will come. Whereas in newspaper report, heading comes first, then the name of the reporter. First paragraph will begin with the place and date and introduction of the event, where the event happened, how it happened in this way. It is also called as the beginning of the report. Second paragraph will be details about the incident. We also call it description. And third paragraph will be regarding the reactions of witnesses. Here are some tips for writing a newspaper report. A newspaper report should state only facts. A newspaper report is mostly written in the third person, that is, he, she, or it and they. Use of pronouns such as I, me, or you should be avoided. A newspaper report is usually written in indirect or reported speech. Means no direct conversation is used in newspaper report. And lastly, we use passive voice while writing a newspaper report. Active voice is strictly prohibited. It looks unprofessional. So keep these facts in mind and write a newspaper report.